Hi friends, today I am with a new pair of earbuds and this is by Nu Republic Cyberstud X2 is the model name. We have seen previously another model which was Cyberstud Spin. Let's talk about some of the key features what you are getting with this model Cyberstud X2. It is 13mm neodymium drivers. It comes with the wireless connectivity version 5.3. It has touch control on earbuds. It has a voice assistant support. It comes with ENC. There is a dual mode which gives you a music mode and a gaming mode which you can switch while typing. And coming to the price point which we will discuss later, inside the box what we are getting here, you can see the earbuds are there. It feels little pretty heavy. The design is very unique and I will show you why. And inside that there are some paperwork, and this is the charging cable and the keychain. So the charging cable is type C and there are some paperwork. So this is all what we are getting inside the box. Now if we talk about the chain, you can hook it up, and once you hook it you can hang on your neck, which looks pretty cool. So you can use it like that, and if you don't want the chain you can unhook that, and it comes with a something like of arc reactor look. Here there is a charging port in the bottom. You get a fast charging with this earbud, and the company is claiming that it has a 70 hours of playtime of a single charge, which is definitely huge, and I will let you know in the description section that it runs or not. But if it goes around 65 or 70 hours, it is great. This is how you can open the case and take out the earbuds. You can see there is a light which is glowing in the earbud, and if you charge this reactor kind of thing, that will show you charging and the light glows off. So this is how you take off the earbuds, plug them in your ears, and it is very light in weight. Now talking about this design, it is very cool and looks very futuristic. These earbuds comes with 40 ms ultra low latency. It has ENC and also comes with splash and sweat resistant. This is the place where you need to tap. These earbuds also come with X-bass tech, which will enhance your bass experience and also immersive sound experience. The weight of the earbud with case is 77 gram, and these earbuds comes with the fast charging support. The charging case time takes around 1.5 hours, and overall it can charge the TWS 9 times. The standby time is up to 315 hours. So even the case feels heavy, but this is definitely a fashion accessory if you want to wear and hang it out on your neck. The earbuds hold very tight with this case, and they don't fall apart very easily. The brown whatever you are seeing in the video is proper metal. Now let's pair it with smartphone. Currently I am connected with the Android smartphone. You can also pair it with your iPhone also. Here you can see the name is given. You can take the phone calls, media, audio, even the contacts and call history sharing is there. Keep the volume consistent, and AAC support is there. The distance range is up to 15 meter Bluetooth, and also it supports Siri or Google Voice Assistant, which I will definitely show you. It comes with the ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation, not ANC. The user manual is not available in the box, but there is a scan QR code by which you can scan it and download the user guide. So I am currently giving you a quick look. The play pause button is left or right single multifunction key touch, and if you are going to go to next song, you have to triple click on the left. For previous song, triple click on the right. For volume up, double click on the right. For volume down, double click on the left. Switching to game mode, you have to tap 4 times, quad times on the right. If you want to switch to voice assistant, then you have to tap left one 4 times, even for activating the Siri 2. To power on, you have to long press the function keys for 2 seconds. For power off, long press the function keys for 5 seconds. To answer or hang up, just single key of the function key. To reject a call, you have to press any of the function keys for few seconds. Now I have already shown you play pause function on the screen. Now I will also show you the volume control. You can increase and decrease volume using left and right earbuds. By this here you can see the left and right earbuds, we are just changing the audio up and down. Both we can do. We can triple tap for the next song and triple tap on the other side for the previous song. This will take some time to get used to these features, but it is very easy once you have the command on your function. So this is how you can change to next song or the previous song. And also you can trigger the voice assistant. It depends on which phone you are. Currently we are in the Android system, it will trigger the Google voice assistant. If we are in the iPhone, it will trigger the Siri. I am tapping 4 times on the left, and here you can see the Google Assistant is being started and you can ask any question with it. So this is how you can switch directly to the voice assistant and ask any question on it. If you tap 4 times on the right earbuds, then it will switch to the game mode. If you tap again twice on the right side, it will switch back to the music mode. There is no option which can be shown here, but the audio comes in your earbuds directly that it is switching to the game mode or it is switching to the music mode. One of the best part is that these are sweat proof and also splash proof, and these earbuds don't come with any ear tips. So if you guys have any question regarding the ear tips, it is not required, and these seal the ears properly. I will show you currently. So this is how, if you wear the earbuds, it fits properly in the ears, and there is a light which is glowing, and the brand name Nu Republic can be also seen. These earbuds fits very easily and they are very short also. The ear tips are not very long. Now taking a call in a noisy place, I don't have any problem. The other side person can also hear me properly because this is ENC, not ANC. So the people on the other side can hear a little bit noise, but still it is manageable and you can talk through that. There is no problem. So talking is something can be done with these earbuds. Overall, this is all about the Nu Republic Cyberstud X2. The price is 2,499. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in the description section. This is all about in this video for Nu Republic Cyberstud X2. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.